Howdy and how are ya?
Hello and how are ya?
Good day and how are ya?
Good day and how are you? All right, here we are again. It is hot. Shirt is off. Please don't judge, okay? It's just hot. We have the KX65 road race set up. Got the forks off. Sorry, I did that before filming. I dropped them. They were leaking pretty bad, the seals. I'm hoping that's the least of them. Least of it. Everything needs seals. Seals and new fluid, fresh fluid. But that's how it goes. I want to focus on the KX a little more. KX65 thing's fast. I'm not gonna lie. It's 125 pounds and 15 horsepower. So let me get these forks apart and I'll film some more and I'll get back at you guys. Here is the forks. Here are the forks. Proper grammar, Jason. That baby is just nasty, gross. We're pumping it out. This is real clear. You see the, I don't know if you can see. It's pretty clear. The oil's not too dirty. I don't know. What do you think? The road race setup get more abuse or off-road? I would have to say off-road. So I got no excuse why or reason why these blew. Anyways, letting these drain out a little bit in the container. Alrighty, we got these forks apart. Here's the lower fork tubes here, all taken apart, and here are the inner fork tubes. I left the damper rods in there, the springs in there, and here is the compression adjusters on top, soft and hardened. Just goes down deep into the fork, twist that bottom damper rod. We have to get the seals out. So you gotta get the seals out there still and drive the new seals in. I use all balls, just like the wheel bearings. The seal and dust seal kits. All the clips out, the bottom bolts out. Pretty easy. I will continue getting these seals out. The old seals, pretty gross, pretty nasty. A lot of old fork fluid, oil, and get the new seals in and put some new fork oil in, some 15 weights Maxima. I gotta look up what height it needs to be with the new seals in there, what height the fork oil needs to be when I get them all back together. Anything else pops up, I'll be sure to film it. Alright, in the process of taking KX forks apart, I realized I could use some bushings, so I went ahead and ordered those. Alright, the KX forks are on the back burner. They need some bushings. Got them ordered. Right now we're going on my backup fork set for my TTR 125. TTR is used for dirt. It's used for ice. I have a set of ice tires, and now we're going to set it up for road course, road racing. Try to do it out. So I got these spare forks and the spare wheel over here, which the wheel I've already mounted a tire, brand new road tire. It's pretty soft. I'm gonna see how that handles out. This is actually an RM80 wheel, so I'm gonna try to adapt it to the TTR front end forks. These already have BBR springs in them. We already drained them, and I'm going to get the nut off the bottom off here, and we will get back at you when I get it all apart. Wish me luck. Alright, got the old seal out, got the new seal started. They're about halfway down in there, and we're going to finish her off on the springs back in, put the fluid at bottom, about 4.25 inches of air gap. The old seal's out, and I will continue with this vlog. That wasn't very exciting, was it? No. Alright. Kind of, maybe? I don't know. How about more energy? Here we go. I will continue getting these seals out, and that was a flop too. Cut, edit, do whatever you want with that. Let's try this again.
What's up? I'm fucking Chad. Welcome to my crib. These are my pups. I have them for Instagram. That's it. We don't allow this. You know this. This is an Instagram photo shoot. You can't be on the couch. Oh. Why do we have these things? Why do we have these things? They're just in my photo shoot. Why do we have them? You're pretty on camera. Nowhere else.
Hey, we're out here at breakfast. Outdoor seating. COVID rules still. I'll show you the food when we get here. Shameless plug. Never been here. Honest food review coming at you soon. Here's the aftermath. So much food. I'm full. Thanks for watching. Sorry I couldn't give you the complete fork install afterwards, fresh looking video, but catch me next time and we'll get that bad boy on and maybe we'll even ride it. Till next time, this is Jason signing off.